Sino nga naman ang hindi mapapangiti? Dahil at tindi po ng laban na to. Number 15, head to head with number 49. But of course, this is a competition. Anything can happen. So place your bets. Who will it be for the best bucket American Bully? And the winner goes to 1 round for number 15 and number 49. Here we go. Palakpakan naman dyan mga utol. Here we go. Who will it be? Best bucket American Bully goes to number 49. Congratulations to number 49.